I'll be showing you how you can create a passport picture on Photoshop. So just like you can see, I choose a crop, which is a passport size. And then here, you can choose your size. You can see where I've highlighted. You can see the width and the height. You can change it. You just need to click and then you start changing it. Something like that. So yeah. So now I crop it. And then I save the size, which is done. So now I have a passport picture here. And then in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple ones and then cut them if you want to print them. So now let's get going. So now I choose a custom one, which is a bit wider. Good, a landscape 6x4. Good. So I don't choose any with white. So small selections here. And then I create it. Good. So now I have this big page. I'll be pasting this passport picture on it severally. So now here, I'm doing some changes on the passport picture I cropped first, which is the what do we call it, stroke. So let me find it. Good. So the concept about the stroke is I want the edges to be shown. So in this case, if I print and then if I print these images on it, multiple ones, and I'm cutting it. Sorry, I'm getting an error. But then if I'm cutting it, I'm going to know the edge. So in this case, I don't cut the real image. So let me do it 1.2 here. I'm still getting the error, but I'll fix this. Still getting the error, but I'll fix it. So now this, and then I think it's done now. Good. So it's done now. So now let's come back to where we paste it. So now we copy it. And now let's move forward to paste it. So here. So this is a simple copy and paste here. So copy and paste, just Ctrl plus CV, Ctrl plus CV like that. So now let's do it. Ctrl plus C, yeah, Ctrl plus V like that. Ctrl plus V, Ctrl plus V, Ctrl plus V. And then Ctrl plus V here as well. So just like that. So just like I was saying earlier, so the concept is when you're cutting it on a paper, you'll be able to cut it like that. So I think I'm done now. So now I'll proceed to save it. So let me show you how you save your photos on there. So now you move to file here and then you move to export. So let's say you wanted only one, you could export it that side. So now export here. And now let's choose a file type. This JPEG, you can choose PNG or the rest. So now let's go on and export it. So exporting to our PC. Now let's change our name of the file to something we will recognize. Let's do it passport picture size. And now let's go on to save it. Yeah, so we already have a file like that, so he has to override it and we are good to go. So that's it on how you can create a passport picture with using Photoshop.